Hi guys, today I would like to share my very first n8n workflow which I've created. Just for a little context, I'm not an engineer. I literally have zero code experience. Last 1 month, I started to learn n8n and I eventually created more than one workflow by myself. And in this video, I would like to share how AI automation can impact our life, how it can improve our business's revenue, relief of a lot of complex tasks, etc. So let's get started. Right here, you can see the newsletter. This is actually created by the AI. I chose the topic regarding the crypto market. So here it says, Bitcoin faces critical support as market conditions shift. As you can see, this newsletter, it's pretty well structured. It has different sections on the newsletter, the alpha, the macro and the markets section, as well as the quick hits, some bullet point, and it even includes this image, like thumbnail of this newsletter. So the question is, how did I do that, right? So this is the exact automation flow which I've created. So imagine if you're reading news article every morning or at night. You check out multiple news resources, and if you are going to publish it on Substack or share within your team about insights, about the analyze, about the information, obviously you spend like hours or a day to kind of structure and make it good content. But what's cool about AI is now you can automate every process. So here, what exactly I've done is, once you execute the workflow, it will automatically fetch the news resources, which is the latest article, and then it pull out the news information. And here, now it's running while I'm speaking. I have added 3 important nodes, which I'm going to explain. First off, this one right here, summarize headlines. So what it does is, this is a writer. Imagine you have an analyst in your team. Let's say this analyst works for you 24/7 to analyze the news article. And this is exactly it. It analyzes the different news resources and then actually, pull out the insight for the viewers or the readers. So here's the prompt I've created. You are a senior crypto and macro markets journalist. So it basically, I've added the persona in the OpenAI, that whenever you kind of output the information or the content, he or she thinks that he's actually an analyst. So this system prompt is really important. If you want the similar behavior or quality of output each time. And what's more cool is, when you actually output the data, you can even prompt the way you want it to be output. So here, what I've added is using only one information above, plus reasonable market context, create a daily briefing in English, and output it strictly as the following JSON structure. So here are the output structure that I expect this analyst to be creating every day for me. And as you can see, here's the output. Here's the output on the right side. You see, it pulled the information. By the way, I use the GPT-4o Mini. This is very cost effective. And then, by the way, you see the output right here. So I think some of you, are doing this kind of simple task by yourself. Maybe you're prompting every day, checking out, having conversation on the OpenAI. But if you use n8n, you can eliminate that process. Every morning you can ask the AI to generate and analyze and deliver the final contents for you. It saves you like a couple hours or more. Get back to the topic. So here we have draft Substack article. In this node, I've made this OpenAI to become now the writer. Previously, it was the analyst or researcher, let's call it. Now, this is a writer. I ask him to become the author of the market pulse. This is the Substack blog name I've created. So he's the author of the market pulse, a daily briefing read by professional traders, hedge fund managers, and serious crypto investors. And persona, you are a veteran market operator with 15 plus years of experience in macro and crypto. So what I've done here is I've made a detailed persona of this writer so that each time this AI automation flow executes every morning, the output quality is become the same. This is very important. If your prompt is pretty vague or not clear, your writer, researcher gives you the output in many different ways, right? But if you're clear what to deliver to your team, your boss, your audiences, you better structure it beforehand so that your content will be very stable each time. So here, I've also added the node where I can generate an image. So based on the news information or based on the output which was created by the writer, now it generates the image of the newsletter, thumbnail, stuff like that. I use n8n for this image creation, but as you guys are aware, there's one new n8n Pro which was launched recently. That is really, really cool. I've also tried it a couple times. It's way high quality than n8n. So if you prefer to create a really high quality infographics or image, I would suggest you use n8n Pro. But this time, since I'm using it every day to kind of test out multiple automation flow, I just use n8n, the previous version. So Now, all right, the contents are ready. The thumbnail pictures are ready. The final process is here. Now, please send the content to my email. Latest newsletter, which I've just created. So again, it starts with the title and the alpha, macro and markets, quick hits, and the verdict. It's the same structure as I showed you guys initially in this video. The reason why is that if you want to provide a content reader, you don't want to confuse, right? Like you want them to read and consume the content easily. That's why I've added the prompt in a writer OpenAI knows to kind of create in the same structure in each newsletter. And right here, I also have an image which I've created, which was created by the n8n. That's all for today. If you guys like this content, please leave a comment and press the like button, and see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.